Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a must-have car accessory that every car owner needs: the car air conditioner vent cleaning sponge brush. This detailing brush is a game changer when it comes to keeping your car's interior clean and dust-free. Let's talk about the special features of this brush. First off, it's made with a soft and smooth material that's gentle on your car's interior, yet tough on dirt and grime. The ABS+Nanofibers construction ensures that it won't scratch or damage any surfaces. With a compact size of 9.7 inches in length and 2.7 inches in width, this brush is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach crevices in your car. But that's not all. This brush is designed for versatility. Whether you're cleaning the air conditioner vents, the car grille, or any other nooks and crannies in your car, this brush is up for the task. It's lightweight, weighing only 40 grams, making it easy to handle and maneuver. And the best part? It's an affordable and essential addition to your car cleaning kit. Made by the trusted brand Aliexpress, you can rest assured that you're getting a high-quality product that delivers on its promises. So, if you're serious about maintaining a clean and fresh interior for your car, I highly recommend checking out this car air conditioner vent cleaning sponge brush. You won't be disappointed. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. And as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Happy driving, everyone.